So I wanted to try these Ferris wheel press inks. This is the Tumultus Tide. It has a bit of shine, so it's this beautiful turquoise color with a silver shine. So I was very curious to see how that comes through while painting. So starting off, I've added in just some simple set of flowers, and let's see how it comes through. As I add in more flowers, I can see the previous layers drying up and I can see that silver shine. It's so beautiful, and generally, when I paint with watercolors, I'm forced to either use just metallics or normal colors. Whereas with this ink, I'm able to do both, which is really fun, where I'm able to experiment more with these colors. To make it much more easier, I also used their fountain pen filled with the same ink to add in outlines, to add the stems for my flowers. And I really like how comfortable and convenient that was. Generally, I need to switch brushes, but using the pen was a lot more simpler. Also, because I was using the same ink, it actually created this beautiful monotone painting. For the leaves, I added in a very translucent layer of the same blue, and I think it just complemented the work a lot better. To finish off the flowers, I'm using a basic black pen to add those center details. Overall, I love how this piece turned out, and you can now see how the shine is coming through. Loving the shine. Look at that beautiful painting.